Every Super Bowl party is more fun with one of these Squares betting sheets. Here's how the game works. First, print the sheet or use the digital version if you're watching remotely with friends. Then fill in the cost per square. Check out our website for tips on how to determine this number. Next, participants will buy and fill squares. For example, let's say you want to bet $20 and the cost per square is $5. This means you can buy 4 squares. Write your initials in 4 random squares. It doesn't matter which squares you choose. Then pass the sheet on to the next participant and they will do the same. Each participant can buy as few or as many squares as they'd like. Once all squares are filled up, you will write the numbers 0 through 9 in the gray boxes across the top and down the left side. Put the numbers in random order by drawing from a hat, using Excel, or even asking a digital assistant. Then write each team name for Team 1 and Team 2. You'll want to get the pool completed before the game starts, or at least before the end of the first quarter. The winners are determined by the last digits of the score at the end of each quarter. For example, let's say the score at the end of the first quarter is 14-7. The last digits of each of these numbers is 4 and 7. These are the winning numbers. Find the 4 in the top row for Team 1 and the 7 on the side for Team 2. The square that intersects both of these numbers is the winner for the first quarter. Repeat this to determine the winner at the end of each quarter. We have free printable and digital versions of the sheets at excelcampus.com/pool. Each one also comes with a sign-up sheet that can make it a bit easier for the organizer to keep track of the bets and how many squares are left. You can find detailed instructions on that page, and feel free to share this video with your friends so they can learn how to play. Have fun and enjoy the game.